Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Welcome back to Santa's Workshop, my friends. You know, every Christmas, I get to deliver millions of presents. But have you ever wondered how this whole gift-giving tradition began? Let's unwrap that story together. It all started a very long time ago, with the story of the very first Christmas. 3 wise men brought gifts to baby Jesus: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Those gifts weren't toys or sweets, but they were symbols of love and honor. And that's where the spirit of giving truly began. Then came Saint Nicholas, the kind bishop who gave secretly to those in need. He'd slip coins into shoes or stockings for poor families, expecting nothing in return. Ho ho! Sounds familiar, doesn't it? You might say he set quite the example, even for me. As centuries passed, families began sharing gifts with one another. They weren't big or fancy, maybe a knitted scarf, a carved toy, or a jar of sweets. But what mattered most was the love tucked inside each gift. Today, giving gifts is one of our favorite parts of Christmas. But remember, it's not about how much you spend. It's about showing someone you care. Even the smallest gift given with love is a treasure. So the next time you give a gift, big or small, know that you're part of a tradition that's over 2,000 years old. And that, my friends, makes every gift a little bit magical. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas to all, and keep that giving spirit shining bright. Join me next time here at Santa's Workshop, where Christmas history comes to life. Until then, stay merry, my friends. Ho ho ho! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.